Welcome to Freshwater Generator, Part 10, focusing on marine engineering multiple choice questions. Question 1. When vacuum reaches 100%, what happens? A. Salinity decreases. B. Boiling stops. C. Salinity increases due to agitation. D. System shuts down automatically. The correct answer is C. Salinity increases due to agitation. Question 2. How is excessive vacuum controlled? A. Closing valves. B. Increasing temperature. C. Opening vacuum breaker. D. Increasing feed water. The answer is C. Opening vacuum breaker. Question 3. Which of the following is a method of water treatment? A. Filtration only. B. Chlorination. C. Heating only. D. Cooling only. The correct option is B. Chlorination. Question 4. How can vacuum loss in a freshwater generator be detected without a pressure gauge? A. By checking pump pressure. B. By observing boiling in sight glass and suction at vacuum cock. C. By measuring salinity. D. By checking engine RPM. The answer is B. By observing boiling in sight glass and suction at vacuum cock. Question 5. The principle of a freshwater generator is based on A. Boyle's law. B. Charles' law. C. Decrease in pressure lowers boiling point. D. Increase in pressure lowers boiling point. The answer is C. Decrease in pressure lowers boiling point. Question 6. Minimum engine, 2-stroke, RPM required to start FWG effectively is A. 20 RPM, B. 30 RPM, C. 50 RPM, D. 100 RPM. The correct answer is C. 50 RPM. Question 7. What is the typical seawater pump pressure for FWG operation? A. 1 to 2 bars, B. 3 to 4 bars, C. 5 to 6 bars, D. 7 to 8 bars. The typical seawater pump pressure for FWG operation is B. 3 to 4 bars. Question 8 asks, vacuum required before starting evaporation in FWG is approximately A. 50%, B. 70%, C. 90%, D. 100%. The correct option is C. 90%. Question 9. A drop in vacuum to around 85% indicates A. System failure. B. Evaporation has started. C. Pump malfunction. D. Air leakage. The answer is B. Evaporation has started. Question 10. Acceptable salinity level of produced fresh water is A. Below 50 ppm. B. Below 25 ppm. C. Below 10 ppm. D. Below 5 ppm. The acceptable salinity level is C. Below 10 ppm. Question 11. What is the function of a salinometer? A. Measure pressure. B. Measure temperature. C. Measure conductivity of water. D. Measure flow rate. The correct function is C. Measure conductivity of water. Question 12 asks, high conductivity in water indicates A. Pure water. B. Low temperature. C. Presence of salts. D. Vacuum condition. High conductivity in water indicates C. Presence of salts. Question 13. In a convergent nozzle, velocity and pressure behave as A. Velocity decreases, pressure increases. B. Velocity increases, pressure decreases. C. Both increase. D. Both decrease. The correct answer is B. Velocity increases, pressure decreases. Question 14. The main cause of vacuum creation in an ejector is A. High pressure. B. Low velocity. C. Pressure drop at throat. D. Heat transfer. The main cause is C. Pressure drop at throat. Question 15. One reason for failure to create vacuum in FWG is A. High temperature. B. Strong pump pressure. C. Leakage in system. D. Clean pipeline. The reason for failure to create vacuum is C. Leakage in system. Question 16. In FWG, steam is converted to fresh water in the A. Evaporator. B. Separator. C. Condenser. D. Ejector. The conversion of steam to fresh water in FWG happens in the C. Condenser. Question 17. What removes brine from FWG? A. Distillate pump. B. Air ejector. C. Jacket water. D. Separator. The correct answer is B. Air ejector. Question 18. During pressure testing, which valve must be closed? A. Air screw. B. Feed water valve. C. Discharge valve to freshwater tank. D. Vacuum breaker. The valve that must be closed during pressure testing is C. Discharge valve to freshwater tank. Question 19. Reverse osmosis works by A. Heating water, B. Reducing pressure, C. Applying pressure to force water through membrane, D. Evaporation. The principle of reverse osmosis is C. Applying pressure to force water through a membrane. Question 20. Typical pressure used in a reverse osmosis plant is A. 5 to 10 bars, B. 10 to 20 bars, C. 40 to 70 bars, D. 100 bar. The typical pressure used in a reverse osmosis plant is C. 40 to 70 bars. Thank you for watching this video on freshwater generator topics. We appreciate your time and hope this information was valuable.